Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I finally made some presets like everybody asked, and these are based off of my trip to Utah. So all of them have names regarding things that I witnessed or saw that inspired me in Utah. So what you're going to want to do is follow the link to my website, dhunterhart.com, and then click on presets, and then you click on the preset pack, add to cart, check out, and you'll receive an email, and it will have a zip file right here, as you see. You'll download that, and then wherever it's downloaded to, you're going to drag and drop it into a desktop folder. Name it whatever you want to, presets, Hunter Hart presets, or Utah presets, or whatever you decide. And then unzip them inside of the folder. You can double click if you have a Mac and they'll all extract, or you can right click if you have Windows and click extract all, and they should all lie in that folder. And just keep them on the desktop. It's the easiest way. The next thing you're gonna want to do is open up Lightroom. You'll pick an image. I picked this image of Sarah. You'll see these three little bars at the top right, and that's for your sliders, is what I call them. I think that's what everybody calls them. But you'll tap on that, and this gives you all your adjustments and everything, such as highlights and shadows and all of your colors. What you want to do is go to the very bottom where you see presets and versions, and what you're going to want to do is click on presets right here, and you'll see you have user presets at the bottom. That doesn't really matter right now, but click on the three little dots right here you see, and then it will give you an option to import your new ones. And what you'll do is after you click import is you'll find the location of your presets that you've already downloaded, and yours should be on the desktop. Mine is a little bit harder to find, which is it within the desktop on mine, but it's buried a little. So I go in and I find my presets, and they're all right here. After I extracted them, I'm going to copy all of them, and then just like that, open, and then you will have 13 brand new presets for your Lightroom. So then we'll decide on which new preset we want to use, and I'll probably go with first Snow Cap. This is probably one of my favorites. It's a little warm. You have to keep in mind that you do have to do adjustments to everything. Presets aren't made to just fix your pictures. They are just a baseline edit for images. You're going to have to go in and readjust a lot of the things afterwards to make it look like yours. Here's a quick view of kind of what I do. The best part about this is that you can also use these on your phone as well. Since they work in tandem, you'll be able to open your mobile device and use it to edit photos from there, and you'll have these presets already on your phone. So if you have any iPhone images or anything that you would like to edit, they should be there just like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope you find all of this helpful, and I hope you get to use them and like them, and I'll see you the next time that I make some more.